What's going on, streamers? I know I've said this before, and I'm sorry I have to say it again, but just a friendly reminder, stop looking at your numbers, right? For the most part, it might not be doing you any good except giving you anxiety. Like, why am I not where I am? I thought I had more people in the chat. I thought this, I thought that. It doesn't really matter, okay? If you're not where you want to be, then looking at the numbers is really just going to give you one more reason to not stream. So what do? Well, go back and remember why you started streaming in the first place. And then this is where you want to start perfecting your marketing abilities. There's a ton of different other streamer helper people on this platform that could aid you in that, but lean into those folks. And then if you want to get into the statistics of how you're doing, there are wonderful platforms and services like StreamBee. Is it StreamBee or StreamerBee? Like StreamBee that give you not only analytics of your stream, very similar to Twitch, but they also give you action items and how to attack and attain your next milestone. But if you think I'm wrong, I would love to know your opinion in the comments below, because of course, this is my opinion. Who the hell am I? So let's have a friendly discourse and talk about it.